this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete for everyone on a WhatsApp group. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have sent a message to any WhatsApp group and you like to retrieve or to delete it so that no one sees it, it's pretty simple. If you realize this immediately after publishing it, you might delete it for everyone without anyone having to read the message. However, if you still want to delete it, even if a few people have seen the message on your group, you can still go ahead and just long press on the message like this, and then using these ellipses here for more options, tap on them, and then you'll see we have a delete button here. If you tap on delete, you'll be asked to either choose to delete for everyone, delete for me, or cancel. If you only delete for me, it means it will only be deleted on your end, but all the group members will be able to see and read the message. If you want to delete for everyone, just go ahead and choose the first option, delete for everyone, and this will go ahead and you can see you deleted this message and this has been deleted for everyone. So that's how you can delete for everyone on our WhatsApp group. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.